But we start with another day of blazing heat for the South and Southwest. This morning, nearly 90 million Americans are under heat alerts. The National Weather Service predicts that the heat wave that started last month will continue through at least the end of July. Hospitals in Phoenix are seeing a steady stream of patients suffering from heat-related illnesses. Jonathan Vigliotti is there where it is 93 degrees right now. Jonathan, good morning.
And good morning to you. I'm here in downtown Phoenix, where morning temperatures are already in the mid-90s and expected to rise as the day goes on. Doctors already warning that with the temperature so hot so early in the morning, it makes it incredibly difficult for people to physically fully recover from this heat. Meanwhile, officials are saying that since early June, there have been nearly 700 calls placed for heat-related emergencies.
We'll have a patient in here and we'll just kind of dump ice all over them. So 4 or 5 of these buckets. The only thing shown will be your mouth.
Emergency room doctor Frank Lavecchio is using kid pools and body bags filled with ice to help save the growing number of patients he's seeing with heat stroke.
This is reserved for the sickest of the sick. I've worked a couple day shifts the last few days and probably used it 3 or 4 times.
He says his Phoenix hospital has had a recent spike in heat-related injuries.
Phoenix is used to heat waves. How unusual is this heat wave compared to previous ones?
This is record-breaking. We're breaking the wrong records.
Phoenix just broke a heat record set nearly 50 years ago, and Tuesday marked the 9th day in a row temperatures didn't drop below 90 at night.
There's not a lot of signs for this heat to break down, at least for the next 5 to 7 days for sure. We're looking at temperatures continuing well above normal.
Lavecchio says each heat stroke patient he treats needs at least 5 members of his ER staff.
Yesterday we had 3 in a row, so we really were tight on staff. You know, everything else in the emergency department kind of comes to a halt.
And with temperatures expected to stay at dangerously high levels.
This could carry on through the rest of the month. What are you preparing for here? What's the hospital preparing for in that scenario?
Unfortunately, more of the same. It is the worst that we've seen.
And along with those ice baths, paramedics arriving on scene are in some cases injecting patients with ice-cold saline solution to save their lives. Doctors say the majority of the patients they're treating are the unhoused and those who work outside for a living.
Jonathan, thank you.